Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today join me as we unbox this package from Todd Beauty. So definitely check them out. I will make sure to put the link to their website in the description. So let's get into this unboxing. I will be showing you guys exactly how this product looks like and how you can go about to incorporate this to your skincare routine. So upon unboxing, we see that this is the Sonicsmooth Pro Plus. Yes, you can get it on Amazon, guys, and especially if you have Prime, it will get to you super fast. So now let's see what's inside this box. So we open it, we see that it comes with a discount code, and I will put it in the description for you guys to go ahead and use. It also comes with a manual that gives you tips and shows you the step-by-step on how to use this tool. So if you're a beginner, you can go ahead and still buy this because everything is made easy. So we have the micro smooth tips, which we can use to exfoliate our skin, the wireless charger, the USB charging cable. We have the most important of all, which is the dermaplaning tool itself and the base where it sits in, so you don't have to just drop it anyhow. We also have the 16 single blades, which I really love the way they packaged it, so that way it is not contaminated. Let's open to see what it looks like. This is the blades that you'll be using to shape down those fine hairs on your face to give your face the smooth feeling. I'm going to show you guys how to insert the razor, and now let's get into using this. I'm started with washing my hands, very important. Then I wet my face. This part is definitely optional. I know that this brand sells the spray that can help you identify the hairs on your face, but if you don't have that, you can go ahead and use your face soap. It's definitely optional. Some people use oil, whatever it is that you need to use, but in the manual it tells you what you cannot use, so keep that in mind. So after applying my soap to my face, I am now going to pick up this tool and start. The thing I love about this is that the company made it so easy. The steps are easy to follow. It tells you with direction to shave your face, and it tells you with direction where not to shave, so that way you don't mistakenly do the wrong thing. So make sure you read the manual before you start. I also love the fact that this equipment, you can exfoliate with this at the same time, so I don't need to buy something different, right? All I need to do is swap out the blade. So remember in the beginning where I showed you that it came with 2 micro smooth tips, which was for exfoliation. So let's say, for example, this week you need to exfoliate and you don't have a face scrub. All you need to do is put on the micro smooth tips and exfoliate. This brand makes it so easy for you to do your skincare routine, and you don't have to worry about the hassle of buying one and then buying another. It is 2 in 1. After exfoliating, I am now going to go ahead and rinse my face and then go in with my regular skincare routine. I start off with my toner, and this can be found on my Walmart storefront and my Amazon storefront. This is the toner from the Ordinary brand, and need I say how amazing this toner is. It's very gentle, especially for sensitive skin. So if you have sensitive skin, you definitely need to give the Ordinary brand a try. So I let it dry for a few seconds, then I go in with the snail snot, as I call it, but it is actually called the snail serum. Once you are done with that, or you don't really have to use these products that I'm using, once I put that on, then I am going to go in with my niacinamide. Some people use this serum and some don't, but just go in with the serums that you use. Don't forget to actually wear your sunscreen, especially if it is still daytime. finally, I am going to go in with my moisturizer, which you guys should already know on this channel is from Shaklee. I will also leave the link in my description box for you guys and the discount code for you guys to go ahead and check them out. This brings us to the end of today's video. Let me know if you've used any product from Michael Todd Beauty and what are your thoughts on today's video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.